The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, there are news articles circulated out there on social media and within the world about a female veteran artist who goes by the name of Sister Charmian, who had died, you see me? And according to some things that have been said in those articles that I saw, it is said that the female veteran artist who goes by the name of Sister Charmian had died while she was sleeping. Now, viewers and subscribers, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and according to some things that have been said and heard in this video, and according to some things that have been said on social media about this video, it is said that the video shows a female veteran artist who goes by the name of Lady Anne talking about Sister Charmaine who had died, and also talked about Spice. You see me? Now, viewers and subscribers, this female talked about other things as well, but I'm not going to explain these things to you. I'm going to present the video to you so that you can hear some of the things that she talked about, and you can let me know if you agree or disagree with some of the things that she had said. All right? Now, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. All right? Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe.
Me say, well, a lot of people them don't tune in. Me have a little matter more and discuss. Me have a little matter for discuss. Big up on yourself, you know. Big up yourself, you know. Yeah, man. Big up everyone who are tuning in. One day them wanna share the life. Cause me have a little matter for your address. Yeah. I'm going to address it real quick and then come off. Because I don't really do live like that. But I just have a little situation more I address right now. Want everybody tune in. Alright, me have 10 people over here. Fine enough for me, 10 people are listening. I'm going to share and tag a friend that live here. Yeah. Alright. The death of Sister Charmian. To the make since Sister Charmian die. Yeah. And I see a lot of female in the industry. Them do interview, them do this, them say RIP, them do all of them for do. But up to the time, me not see not one of them donate a penny. Yeah, because Sister Charmian didn't have anything, because you know all the music business go for we, the veteran dancehall artists. In my idea, me in the music industry before Charmian. When me come in the music, when me I come overseas, she come do a show, 150 US me get. When me I do a show in Jamaica, at 3,000 US, 3,000 Jamaican, yeah, me 3,000, 300 Jamaican dollar me I get. Yeah, I will take it because we never understand the business, and we never run down the money part of the business, and just the business part of the business. We just love the thing, and we just take it for fun. Anyway, Spice, dancehall queen Spice, a little baby for me and Charmian. We could have Spice reach out, yes, and she donate. And una bash her, but she never have to donate in a quiet. Yes, she donate $1,000, big me and that. No for the rest of female, them none of the male, them most of them not interested, not donate anything. None of them didn't donate anything. So a Spice what come after we in the business, come and she donate. It's a good look. Spice donate is a good look. Whether me not care one say whether if Spice didn't even donate $10, we appreciate it. Cause you know why? She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. She's still better than the rest of them in the industry. Yes. Spice better than the rest of them in the industry. Spice donate. Ask the rest of them how much them put. Ask the rest of them how much them donate. How much them put. Call the rest of female DJ them from me, my time, to Charmian time, and ask them how much them donate. Charmian didn't left no will. Charmian didn't die left anything because she didn't have anything for left because them rob her everything. Now Spice come forth now as a little younger girl. We just come to the music donkey years after we. I hear about Sister Charmian death and she donate her money. If she didn't even donate $1, she's still better than the rest of them. If Spice didn't even donate $1, Spice better than the rest of them. Yeah, it upset me for see Pink Wall, big up on yourself in a Pink Wall. You don't know me rate Pink Wall and my place. But for the people that over there bass spice, me upset. One year bass spice for. You know what should I say? You know what should I say? Did the rest of female in the business donate? And that one should I say? Spice never have to donate anything, but she come forth and she did. You understand? Una give her some credit now, man. Give Spice some credit, man. She never have to donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money, and she give some for help Bird Champion, and we thankful. The rest of them not do nothing. The rest of them just go do interview for promote for them own things. Did them do anything? Them not do any $1. Look how much female in the industry. Look how much of them we can't call name. Look how much male in the industry. And a Spice alone. But yet still Spice show her gratitude and she donate. Don't do that, man. One over Pink Wall talk about she fi donate anonymous for what? She work hard for her money. So she free for doing it anyhow she choose. Big up yourself, Spice. You're better than the rest, Spice. Me lady and the first lady of Dancehall and endorse you. Big up yourself, Spice. Me no care nobody want to say you donate and that's all matter. That 1,000 more towards the 20,000 where we did a look. Yeah. So no make them break you down and you don't care what them chat say, Spice. You're better than the rest. Cause look out to them make 1 week since Sister Chamia dead. How much of the female them donate something to her? None of them. None of them. Not one of them. Not one of them reach out to Chamia and daughter. All we hear I say them reach out to Chamia and daughter. Lie them a tell. Not one of them. Not one of them. So, Pink Wall, like me say, big up on yourself and all of that. Me real Pink Wall, like me say, Pink Wall, a female place. But, unu do a bad Spice. What unu for say? And unu not for say Spice should have done donate anonymous. For what? Spice work hard for her money. Unu think this music industry was full of Obeah nice? And one of them a talk about Obeah, Spice a work Obeah. Unu pray me no come forth, you know. You know why me no come forth yet? Come slow up the wall and water, go like a Spice alone. I just chew my daughter in my skin. Cause any of my daughter never not my skin. All wall on one talk and I jump up like a Spice alone and walk Obeah. The whole of we blood clot walk Obeah. The whole of blood clot we go Obeah, man. The whole of way. So stop going like you RT run out and a done Spice. Like Spice and the bad one alone. The whole of we guilty as mama blood clot charge. The whole of we guilty. The whole of we from the first to the... So stop going like a Spice alone did go. Uno go to. Uno don't make me come talk, you know. Uno go to. The whole of we go. The whole of we go and a Spice alone go. And Spice donate her good money, yeah? Where you donate, where Uno donate. Uno stop it, man. Pink Wall. Uno for big up Spice. Pink Wall, big up Spice. Cause Chamia didn't die leave anything because she never have anything to leave because them rob her everything. But yet still Spice when her friend come forth as a co-worker at the Dancehall and she donate. And that is a good look. And if she want to put up her name so she donate, nothing wrong. She better than the rest. The GoFundMe page is up there. Uno go look. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look on it and see how much of them donate. Look how much female in the business. You see none of them come forth? No, not one of them come forth. So Spice, big up yourself. Like me say, me respect you and me rate you. Cause you better than the rest of them. You better than the rest of them. And all who are dragging name na the pizza ya walk Obeah, the whole of them walk Obeah. Don't feel guilty, I know you alone. And you for them wanna come to the light yet. And you me no come out, come talk yet. But wait, Obeah to them. Wait. Una go like no guilty, una go like so una slate cleaner than Spice one. No, it no cleaner than Spice one. The whole of mama blood clot later we go. The whole of we go at a point in our career. We go. So no stop it. We go. You go, me go, she go, and he go too. Stop it. Stop it. But me come forth, cause me sip on pink wall, them a go like Spice do something wrong. Spice no do nothing wrong. She do it. Stop say she should have go anonymous for what? One of should have say who is donate to Sister Charmian burial. Sister Charmian open the gate for a lot of them. Whole heap of them. No for the swing and the style of them in a Charmian thing too. Did they donate? Did they call Kaddish and say condolence? No. No. They did not. They didn't. So Pink Wall, do the story again and say, so where the rest of female them there? Where the male them there? How much uno donate to Charmian burial? That more I want to say. How much of them donate to Charmian burial? Not one of them. Not one of them donate. I think Tanner Stephen donate. Yeah, Tanner Stephen donate too. But nobody has a donate in the industry as female. Some of the male them donate. Yeah, the male singer, veteran singer them. I don't know about the modern one them. Some of the male singers donate. But, enough about Spice. The rest of them should be ashamed. Spice donate and they don't. Me never hear Spice do not interview or talk nothing about Charmian and them. She miss Charmian and she this. No. The rest of them they do. The whole of them use Spice, Charmian dead for them own advantage. None of them not donate nothing. Not one of them. Not even a candy. Not even a nickel. So Pink Wall, it's a good look. Me rate Spice and me respect her for comfort and she donate. And that's all matters. She donate something so Charmian can get a good look burial. At least she help for put on Charmian good. No can't say well she very good. Them have to go say she very good and because of Spice help she go very good. Yeah, and that me I say. So that's why I'm big up on yourself, you know. And stop it. When you feel stop it, stop your blood clot shade. Cause the whole I know chew up. But Obeah, the whole I know go. The whole I know. Don't make her do a next live and come phone, you know. Cause you go have to put out blood clot, it for me. I said, you don't want to put out no it for me, let me pick them. When you love me, you know. I make my friend go in peace. When you don't tear her down. Remember, so no help Obeah Charmian too, you know. Remember, you know. When you forgot. When you forgot, so you got Obeah woman for Charmian. You know what? My daughter over here tell me to leave it alone. I can leave it alone. All more have to say, Pink Wall, you have to me place. You know that for years, Pink Wall have a place. Don't say Spice should have donate anonymous. No. Spice free for donate any how she please her like. Cause guess what? She better than the rest. She donate. The rest of them never donate. So what? Big up on yourself. Big up all of the blogger them. Big up everybody for my life. And have a blessed day. Yeah. And that me say big up. Give thanks.
Viewers and subscribers, I agree with some of the things that this female veteran artist said. See me? Some persons might call her a female veteran musician. See me? She also said some things that gave me the understanding that she said the walla we work Obeah. The whole of we. The whole of we. That's the Jamaican way of saying all of us or all of we. You see me? That's my opinion. We. You know, we. Plural. That's the part I'm looking at, you know. Right? I will always respect a person who is honest. Always respect an honest person. See me? You see me? I rather be around a honest person who is somewhat angry most of the times than be around a person who lies all the time but is a cool and okay person. You see me? The reason why is because with a honest person, you know what the person is about. But a person who lies and relax, you have no clue what they're really up to. And that's my point of view. So big up to the person talking in the video. You see me? Yeah. Big up Lady Anne. Alright, so you know, viewers and subscribers, the person in the video that I just presented to you talked about Spice, you see me? And talked about Sister Charmaine who had died, you know, and she talked about other things as well, you see me? Viewers and subscribers, she talked about Spice donating towards a certain purpose, you see me? Yeah, and the person who goes by the name of Spice that she talked about, some persons might call her a musician, some person might call her a artist, you see me? Yeah, Spice, the musician, you see me? That's the person she talked about, and she also mentioned other persons' names as well. You see it? Alright, viewers and subscribers, you know, I'm not going to say much more about some of the things that have been said in this video, but you, my viewers and subscribers, can let me know what you think about some of the things that the person you see in the video said. You see what I'm saying to you? You can let me know what you think about some of the things that Lady Anne had said. You can let me know if you agree or if you disagree with some of the things that she had said, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla. Yeah, man. Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.